I made this crochet dress with just scrap yarn. So today we are going to be making this multicolored crochet dress, and not just that, I'm going to be showing you some tricks. Before we start crocheting, let's talk about the measurement. The length of this dress is 45 inches. So this tutorial is going to be a mini project. So you can easily adjust the size and length to fit your own body. Before we go further, please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy crochet tutorials like this, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss my future video. Let's get right into the video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet this multicolored dress with sleeves using scrap yarn only. This tutorial is beginner friendly, and I'll be using very simple stitches like the double crochet and the slip stitch for stitching my project together. So for the materials, we are going to be using scrap yarns of any color, like any yarns you have at home that you know you can use, or you can just buy like fresh ones if you have the money. We'll be using about 4.5mm hook for this project. We'll be needing scissors and a measuring tape. We are going to start by making the back panel first. So I'm going to be chaining 4 chains. So you have to bear with me because I'm not used to crocheting with nails. So then we'll go into the 4th chain, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. If you notice, this is not your normal way of making double crochet. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, again, pull through 1, pull through 2. Pull through 1, if yours is not looking like this already, then I don't know what you are making. Now let me show you an easy way to change colors. When you are finishing a double crochet, stop when you have 2 loops left on your hook. Drop the old color, pick up your new yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. Continue crocheting normally with your new color. Since the length of my dress is 45 inches, I'm going to be making 120 double crochets. You can make it as long as you want it to be. If you want your length to be 60, 50, you can go ahead and crochet as many double crochets you want to. For your next row, you turn your project, chain 3 and start crocheting double crochet. As you crochet, you can also hide your loose yarn inside your stitches. This will make your work neat and also help you save time. So we are done with our back panel. Don't forget that this is a mini project. I made 43 rows for the back panel. For the front panel, we are going to start the same way we started with the back panel. So after 21 rows, make another row of double crochet. Then when you have only 25 double crochet left to finish, you crochet 25 chains. You make 25 chains from there to match the other side of the 21 rows. So from here you start making double crochet into your chains. Here, do not change the color. What you are doing here is going to create a V shape for you to have a space for your neck when wearing the dress. So after this row, go ahead and make another 20 rows so that you have 21 rows on both sides. For the hand panel, I made 30 rows. As you can see, they are both looking neat already. Everything is ready. It's just for me to stitch my panels together. You can make your sleeve as big or as long as you want it to be. So that's why mine is just 30 rows. And here I'm marking it with a stitch marker. This is a stitch marker. I'm actually using my earring. So if you don't have a stitch marker, you can use your earring, you can use thread, you can use whatever is available. You don't need to break the bank to buy stitch markers. You can actually use the one you have at home. You can use your earring or use your thread. So after doing that, we are going to be stitching our project with 4.5 millimeter hook. If you have yarn darning needle, you can use it. If you don't have it, you can use your crochet hook to stitch your projects together. I actually prefer using my crochet hook to stitch my projects together. So for the neck region, we are going to be skipping 7 double crochets in the back panel so that our head will be able to pass through. So we are going to skip 7 stitches at the back. So since we have 43 rows at the back and also 43 rows at the front, what we are going to do is we are going to divide it by 2. That's 22 divided by 43. We have 21 and a half. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove 3 from both sides. That's 3 from the 21 and 3 from the 21, and we have 1 left at the middle. That will make it 7. I don't know if you understand. 3, then 1 at the middle, then we'll have 7. Then stitch the remaining one together. So that's how we are going to get the neck region. I don't know if you understand it, but yeah, that's how I got mine. If you have any other alternative for us to get the neck region, or for our head to be able to pass through, you can also leave it in the comment section. I didn't remember to film this part, so by the time you are done stitching everything together, I want you to add a finishing touch by adding double crochets to your project, that's to your sleeve and to the length of your dress. Then after that, you add the fringe. This one is actually very simple. It's just for you to just cut your yarn and add it to your dress, just like that. 5, you add 5 to each stitch, add 5, skip 2, add 5, skip 2, add 5, skip 2. When you are done, just trim the tip of the fringe of your fringe a little to give it a nice look. And this is the final look of our beautiful crochet dress. Like, it's so simple and colorful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with someone who loves crochet. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying this dress and what colors you plan to use. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.